Did you know that certain foods can help protect your eyes and repair your vision? Yes, you heard it right. The health of your eyes isn't just about regular checkups and wearing the right glasses. What you eat plays a significant role too. In fact, there are 12 particular foods that have been identified as champions for your vision. From the humble carrot to the mighty avocado, these foods pack a punch when it comes to eye health. Subscribe and stay tuned to discover which 12 foods might make the difference in your eye health. First on our list are carrots and leafy greens like spinach and kale. These vibrant veggies are a feast for the eyes in more ways than one. Carrots are famously rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that helps the retina and other parts of the eye to function smoothly. They're not just good for night vision, as some myths suggest, but for overall eye health. Now let's turn over a new leaf and talk about spinach and kale. These leafy greens are filled to the brim with lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that are vital in preventing macular degeneration and cataracts, two common vision problems. They're also rich in vitamin A, just like carrots. The beauty of these vegetables is that they're versatile and can be incorporated into your meals in a myriad of ways. From a crispy carrot snack to a hearty kale salad, the options are endless. So consider adding some colorful veggies to your meals for a vision boost. Next up, we have sweet potatoes and salmon. Sweet potatoes, much like their carrot cousins, are packed with beta-carotene. This compound is a type of vitamin A that gives these foods their vibrant orange hue. But the benefits extend far beyond aesthetics. When consumed, beta-carotene converts into vitamin A, a key nutrient for maintaining a clear cornea, which is the outermost layer of the eye. Now let's dive into the deep sea with salmon. This tasty fish is swimming with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats our bodies can't make, so we have to get them from our diet. These fats are crucial for visual development and maintaining the health of the retina, the layer of tissue at the back of your eye that senses light and sends images to your brain. So next time you're planning a meal, consider adding some sweet potatoes and salmon to the mix. These foods are not just delicious, but also keep your eyes healthy. Moving on to the refreshing citrus fruits and delightful berries. These vibrant fruits are not just pleasing to the palate, but they're also packed with a powerful punch of vitamin C. And why is vitamin C so important for our eyes, you ask? Well, this essential nutrient plays a significant role in maintaining the health of our eyes and vision. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects the proteins in our eyes from damage. It's also crucial in the production of collagen, a protein that provides structure to our eyes. This means that vitamin C is actively working to combat the development of age-related conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Whether you're peeling a juicy orange, savoring a tart lemon, or enjoying a handful of sweet berries, you're not just treating your taste buds, but also doing a world of good for your eyes. So, go ahead and incorporate these tangy fruits into your diet. Enjoy these tangy fruits and keep your eyes sparkling. Let's not forget about egg yolks, nuts, and seeds. Egg yolks are a fabulous source of two antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These incredible substances have a unique talent for absorbing harmful high-energy light waves, such as those pesky ultraviolet rays from the sun. By doing so, lutein and zeaxanthin help protect our eyes from damage that can lead to cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Now let's crack open the world of nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, peanuts, you name it. These crunchy delights are packed full of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E contributes to the health of our eyes by protecting cells in the eyes from unstable molecules called free radicals, which can break down healthy tissue. So, whether you're scrambling some eggs for breakfast or snacking on a handful of almonds in the afternoon, you're giving your eyes the care they deserve. So, scramble some eggs or snack on some nuts for a vision-friendly diet. Last but not least, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and avocado. Let's talk about these green powerhouses and their role in safeguarding our eye health. First off, we have bell peppers. These vibrant vegetables are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your eyes against damaging free radicals. It's also been linked to reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Now, let's move on to broccoli. This green veggie is not only a great source of vitamin C, but also contains a significant amount of vitamin E. This fat-soluble vitamin is key in protecting our eye cells from unstable molecules that can cause damage. Next up are Brussels sprouts. These tiny cabbages are loaded with zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that's absorbed into the eye's macula. Here, zeaxanthin helps to filter out harmful blue light and prevent oxidative damage that can lead to macular degeneration. Finally, we have the creamy and delicious avocado. This fruit is an excellent source of the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health. In fact, studies have shown that people with a high intake of these nutrients are significantly less likely to develop cataracts and macular degeneration. Remember, our eyes are one of the most vital parts of our body, and they depend on us to take care of them. So go green and add these veggies to your diet for stronger, healthier eyes. Now that we've explored these 12 vision-boosting foods, let's bring it all into focus. From the vibrant carrots and leafy greens, packed with beta-carotene and lutein, to the hearty sweet potatoes and potent salmon, brimming with vitamin A and omega-3 fatty acids, we've seen how each food contributes to our ocular health. Let's not forget the refreshing citrus fruits and delectable berries, our powerful allies in providing vitamin C and antioxidants. The humble egg yolk, along with various nuts and seeds, deliver lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E, which tackles age-related vision issues. Lastly, the colorful bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and creamy avocados all bring unique benefits from vitamin C to zeaxanthin, enhancing eye health and vision. These 12 foods, when incorporated into our daily diet, can play a significant role in protecting our eyes and repairing our vision. Remember, what you eat can have a big impact on your eye health, so choose wisely and subscribe.